Students, here is the problem number 6 of projection of line. Okay, the question is the distance between end projector of a line AB are 70 mm and point A is 30 mm below HP and 50 mm behind VP. Okay, the while the point B is 20 mm above HP and 65 mm in front of VP. Okay, draw the projection of a line AB and find true length inclination with HP and VP, that is nothing but theta and phi. Okay, so given data is end projector distance is given 70 mm. Now then location of A is already given, that is A is 30 mm below HP and and 50 mm behind VP. That means this 30 mm we have to draw A dash, it is 30 mm below XY line, and 50 mm, that is nothing but point A, we have to draw above XY line. Okay, so this point A is in third quadrant. Okay, and location of point B is given, that is 20 mm above HP and 65 mm below HP, that is point B is in first quadrant. Okay, so we have to draw this B dash distance, it is above XY line, and point B is we have to draw 65 mm below XY line. Okay, so start to draw this problem. Draw first XY line. This is Y and X. Okay, so we have to locate this first A dash and A. We have to draw this A dash below XY line, it is 30 mm. Okay, just I am drawing one straight line which is exactly 30 mm below XY line. Here is point location of A dash. Now location of A, point A is 50 mm above XY line. So point B is A dash, point A is at above 50 mm. Once you draw these two lines, then draw one straight line. So just draw one straight line from point A and another line from A dash. Okay, so this is locus of A, this is locus of A, and this is locus of A dash. Okay, so now location of point B dash is also given. The location of point B dash is 20 mm above XY line. So take 20 mm above XY line and draw one straight line which is parallel to XY line. Similarly, the point location of point B is given, it is below 65 mm. Okay, so take 65 mm distance below the XY line and draw another straight line. This line is nothing but locus of B dash, and this is locus of B. Sorry, this is B dash and this is locus of simple B. Okay, so now all these four data we have used. So end projected distance is given, it is 70 mm. So take 70 mm distance from XY line. Okay, and draw one straight line which is just cut to the locus of B dash and locus of B. Okay, so this point is B dash point, and this point is point B. Okay, so just join this A dash B dash distance by straight line, and this is your front view. Join now A point with B by straight line. So this is your top view. This is your top view. Okay, so this is front view and then this is top view. Okay, so take distance A dash and B dash in the rounder and draw, means A dash and B dash is a radius, and with the center of A dash draw one arc which is just cut to the locus of A dash. Okay, so we are moving from this point to this point. So this point you will get B2 dash point. This is B2 dash point. Okay, so from B2 dash point draw one straight line which is cutting to the locus of B. So I am just drawing one straight line which is cutting to the locus of B, and this point is nothing but B2 point. Okay, so this point is B2 point. Now join this B2 point with A by a straight line, and this is nothing but your true length. This is nothing but your true length. Again, by taking distance between, now taking the distance between A and B, draw one arc which is cutting to the locus of A. Okay, so with center A and radius, it is equal to A dash B dash, sorry, A and B. Draw one straight line from this point to this. Now on this locus of A you will get point B1. Okay, so now from point B1 draw one straight line which is cut to the locus of B dash. So this is your point B1 dash. Okay, so join this A dash and B1 dash. This is also your true length. Okay, so now extend this line, this line, this line, and this line. So this distance is 50 mm, this distance is 30 mm. Okay, this is your front view, this is top view, this is true length, and this is true length. Now the inclination of A dash and B1 dash, it is given theta, and this inclination, it is nothing but phi. In the answer side you have to find out this theta, phi. This is front view length. This front view length you have to, this front view length you have to measure, and this top view length total, this is top view length you have to measure.